Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our top-picked best wireless home security system is the Ring Stick-Up Cam. In our testing, this camera scored among the highest for accurate motion detection and alerts. Installation is super easy. The camera is packaged alongside all the tools you'll need with a clear step-by-step guide. You also have options for how you power it, including a 6 to 12-month battery, a USB cable, or the additional purchase of a solar panel. Ring Protect subscription lets you save and share videos captured on Ring devices. Let's watch more about Ring Stick-Up Cam.
This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam, a home monitoring camera that goes indoors, outdoors, even between doors, so you can see every corner of your home. Stay connected with motion alerts.
Why is Frankie out?
And speak to who's there with two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Mrs. Dawson.
Power Stick-Up Cam however you want. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And if your Ring alarm goes off, Stick-Up Cam can start recording automatically.
That's pretty smart.
It sure is.
So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Our second best pick is Arlo Pro 3. For perfect indoor or outdoor use, Arlo Pro wireless security system was a top performer in our testing. Installing Arlo on a wall is as simple as screwing in the magnetic base and popping the camera on. Because the camera is wireless, you can attach the camera anywhere in range of Wi-Fi. This camera is compatible with Google Home and Alexa for easy control, and all alerts go straight to your phone. Unlike most other home security cameras, Arlo can capture color videos at night. Note that to save the video recordings, you'll need to purchase a subscription after 3 months. Our number 3 is Wifi 4-piece home camera. This budget-friendly security option lets you monitor your home and family right from your smartphone, and there are no monthly fees required. Each of the 4 cameras captures 1080-pixel high-definition video, and they have enhanced infrared night vision and motion detection capabilities, sending alerts to your phone whenever they sense movement. The company provides free 7-day storage where you can see clips of recorded activity, and you can monitor the live feeds from your phone at all times. Reviewers say the cameras deliver a crisp, clear image, even at night, and many are impressed by the overall quality of the system at such an affordable price. Our fourth pick is Arlo Pro 2. If you prefer a camera system, you should consider the Arlo Pro 2, which comes with 2 or more wireless indoor-outdoor cameras. With the free Arlo subscription, you can monitor up to 5 cameras and access their footage for up to 7 days. The Arlo cameras deliver 1080-pixel high-definition video and include advanced motion detection that will trigger a notification on your smartphone. You can even set up activity zones to help avoid false alarms, such as passing cars. The cameras can be plugged in, or you can power them with the rechargeable battery, and they even have two-way audio and a siren that you can control remotely to scare off intruders. Plus, the system works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and more, allowing you to control your cameras using voice commands. Last in our list is Netatmo Smart Outdoor Security Camera with integrated floodlight. This outdoor camera replaces any outdoor light fixture in your home, while also including a home security camera. It plugs into the junction box where an outdoor light fixture was and then uses wireless technology for alerts. This model from Netatmo can distinguish between people, cars, and animals. Within the app, you choose which activity you get alerted of, meaning you can know when someone is at your front door, but ignore cars that may be driving by. There are no subscription fees to store and save captured videos. Let's watch how this security camera works.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!